Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2017 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, FWD, headlights auto off, cruise control, trip computer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.